Let me tell you why drinking enough water is important. Drinking enough water is very important for our health. Our bodies need water every day to function properly. It helps us stay fresh, active, and healthy. Water also keeps our skin clear, aids digestion, and helps remove waste from the body. When we don't drink enough water, we may feel tired, dizzy, or get headaches. Instead of soda or other sugary drinks, choosing water is the best option. It has no calories and keeps us feeling good, both inside and out. Experts recommend drinking about 8 glasses, or 2 liters, of water every day. Water is simple but powerful. Drinking enough of it every day helps us stay strong, focused, and healthy. So remember, always keep your body hydrated. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson, and happy learning.